Hello, welcome to my nail tutorial. I'm starting off with a light blue nail polish. And no, this was not fully opaque on the first go, so I did need to add a second layer to make it fully opaque. And we're just gonna ignore how sloppily I just did that. I'm taking this dotting tool from Claire's and concentrating white nail polish at the top of my nail to make a cloud. And then using the smaller end of this dotting tool to make raindrops in rainbow order from left to right. It was kind of difficult to imagine dividing my nail into 6 sections so that I could make the rainbows distinguishable, I guess. But it all worked out in the end. Remember to clean off the dotting tool after each color so that you don't mix the colors and ruin the whole rainbow effect. And the sections don't need to be perfectly distinguished. In fact, it looks better if it's not, so that it kind of looks like a gradient, I guess. But yeah, that's what I did. I know it kind of doesn't look like rain because it's too much, but I thought it was pretty anyways. I took a holographic top coat and applied it to the rain part only, not the cloud, to kind of make more rain. I don't know, rainbows on rainbows is just pretty. And then I sealed the whole nail in with a top coat. This will prevent chipping and make the manicure last as long as possible. I know it's pretty late in Pride Month, but I did want to say happy Pride Month. And I hope you're staying safe with Corona and all that. That's all I have to say, so subscribe if you feel like it. Bye!